Okay, now let's make a banana tree for our monkeys. If you remember, we created lots of variation of monkeys from the small one up to the big one. Remember that? So this time, let's create the food source of the monkey, the banana tree. Okay. So now, we need to inflate a balloon for the banana itself. Just inflate a balloon like this, leaving 4 inches allowance at the end. Now, create or inflate a, a, a balloon like this with a small allowance like this, approximate half-inch allowance. Now, let's create for the leaves of the banana tree. Okay? Yeah. Approximate allowance at the end would be 5 inches like this. Now, let's create first the banana. Create 3-inch bubbles, another 3-inch bubbles here. Put it together as a loop. Just like that. Double secure the nostril so it won't come out. Now, do the same thing. Create another bubble here. Push this bubble to all through from these 2 bubbles that we created. Now, create another same size. Just like this. Now, slowly put this excess balloon here inside of these 2 bubbles that we created. Now we ended up like this. Now we don't need more banana here. This size would be enough. Now we need to remove this excess. So that is our banana. Okay, this is it. This is the bananas. Now, this is the body of the tree, and this is the leaves. Now, this is the simple version on how to create a simple leaves by creating a loop here. Approximate 8 inches loops. Just like that. Now create another one like this, and create one more loop like this. So that is it. And now, after that, just put this here. But before you create a 1-inch bubble here and put it here. So this is the tree of your banana. Now, the last part is the bananas. Okay, let's put it together. And now, we have an instant tree with bananas here. Okay, now, where's the monkey? It's not me. I'm just joking. Thank you so much. This is the banana tree. Hope you like it.